Welcome to today's creative journey. There's a unique kind of magic in taking something discarded by nature, a twisted, weathered piece of wood, and transforming it into a centerpiece for a modern home. Today, we are exploring the world of wall-mounted wood sculptures. In this video, we will walk through the philosophy, the process, and the aesthetic power of blending organic raw wood with clean modern design. Whether you are an artist or simply an admirer of minimalist interior design, this piece represents a bridge between the wild forest and the curated living room. Why driftwood? Why these twisted, gnarled branches? The beauty of a wall-mounted sculpture lies in its history. Each knot, each curve, and each bleached-out section of the grain tells a story of survival. Years spent in water, wind, or extreme sun. When we mount these on a structured background, like the one we see here, with its precise geometric studs, we create a contrast. It's the tension between the uncontrolled beauty of nature and the calculated order of human design. This is what we call modern rustic art. Creating a piece like this requires patience. Selection. First, it's about finding the right limb. It needs a dynamic flow, something that looks like it's frozen in motion. Preparation, cleaning, drying, and sometimes treating the wood is essential to ensure it lasts for years. The backdrop. Notice the contrast in this piece. The dark mat board provides a stage for the wood. The gold-toned studs aren't just functional, they represent order and human craftsmanship. The mounting. Achieving that floating effect is the most challenging part. It requires hidden brackets and precise balancing to ensure the sculpture looks like it's growing right out of the wall. Where does such a piece belong? Wall-mounted wood sculptures are versatile. They thrive in minimalist spaces, where they can act as the focal point. In a room with neutral colors, a piece like this brings warmth, texture, and a sense of grounding. It's not just a decoration, it's a conversation starter. It reminds us to slow down, look at the details, and appreciate the imperfections that make things truly beautiful. To look around you. Nature provides us with endless inspiration. We only need the vision to see the potential. Thank you for joining me in exploring the elegance of organic sculpture. If you enjoyed this dive into design, please like and subscribe for more content on turning natural elements into timeless home decor. Until next time, and keep creating